Tired of your images looking pixelated or taking forever to load? Let's dive into the essential skill of saving your Photoshop files as PNGs and JPGs to get the best quality and file size for any project in just 90 seconds. First, with your masterpiece open in Photoshop, head up to the File menu and click on Save, as this is where the magic happens. Now, in the Format dropdown, you'll see a list of options. We're focusing on PNG and JPG, but let's understand the difference. JPG, or JPG, is best for photos with lots of colors and smooth gradients. It compresses the image, reducing file size, but can lose some detail. PNG, on the other hand, is perfect for graphics with sharp lines, text, logos, and transparent backgrounds. It's a lossless format, meaning no quality is lost during compression, but the file size is generally larger. Let's save as JPG. First, select JPG from the Format menu, give your file a descriptive name, choose where to save it, and hit Save. A JPG options box pops up. The most important setting here is quality. A higher quality means a larger file size, but better looking image. Experiment to find the sweet spot between quality and size for your needs. Usually, a quality of 8 is a good balance. Now, let's save as PNG. Go back to File, Save As, and choose PNG from the Format menu again. Name your file and choose a location. When saving as PNG, you'll see interlace options for web use. Choose none, unless you specifically need interlacing for progressive loading. So, remember, JPG for photos, PNG for graphics. Knowing when to use each format ensures your images look their best, whether they're on a website, in a presentation, or ready to print. And that's it. You've mastered saving as PNG and JPG in Photoshop. Subscribe for more quick Photoshop tips and tricks to elevate your design game.